Hi, this is Sohrab, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to relink a limited number of offline files in PremierePro. When an editing project is transferred to a different system and the file paths change, the file becomes offline. Relinking is necessary and it's activated automatically when you are open the project, allowing you to search for the files. However, if you are short on time and have a large number of files, you might want to relink only the videos used in the specific timeline. To do this, open the desired timeline, select all clips, then right-click and choose Link Media. This will open a search window, select the desired drive, and it will find the files. Here showing few remains files that are in different location, and that's okay, you can process by selecting offline all to review them. Here it seems there is a nested sequence that's offline, so double click to open it and find this one using the same method. In this way, the files will be found. Now in the project window, look at the files on one of the folders. You see that only files used in the timeline have been linked and unused one remains offline. So if you are short on time, you can speed up your workflow with this method. Hope you find it useful and make magic with your projects.